Safe battery removal begins with proper preparation. First, disconnect the UPS from the wall outlet and power off all connected devices to ensure complete electrical isolation. Gather the essential tools for safe battery replacement. You'll need a compatible replacement battery, an insulated Phillips head screwdriver, safety gloves, and safety glasses for protection. Next, locate and access the battery compartment. This is typically found on the front or rear panel of the UPS, secured by screws or latches. Always refer to your specific UPS model's manual for exact instructions. Carefully disconnect the battery terminals by gently wiggling the connectors off. Always note the polarity markings, positive and negative, before disconnection. Avoid using excessive force to prevent damage to the terminals. Remove the old battery carefully, avoiding impacts or punctures. If there's a battery tray, remove any securing screws or clips first, then slide out the battery. Handle with extreme care. Batteries are heavy and contain hazardous materials. If you encounter a swollen battery, take extra precautions. Wear fire-resistant gloves and ensure proper ventilation in the work area. Swollen batteries can be dangerous and require immediate, careful handling and proper disposal. Now we'll install the new battery. Start by sliding the new battery into the compartment or tray, ensuring the correct orientation matches the original position. Next, reconnect the terminals by matching the polarity. The positive terminal connects to positive, negative to negative. Ensure all connections are snug and secure. Secure the battery tray if applicable, then reattach the battery compartment cover. Make sure all screws are properly tightened. Power up the UPS by plugging it back into the wall outlet, then turn on the UPS and connected devices. Run a self-test to verify the new battery is functioning correctly. Finally, properly recycle the old battery. Never throw UPS batteries in regular trash as they contain hazardous materials that can harm the environment. APC offers a convenient recycling program with prepaid shipping labels. You can also take old batteries to authorized recycling centers or hazardous waste facilities in your area.